Welcome to ChatGPT, a tool for generating creative writing prompts. Whether you're a writer looking for inspiration or trying to develop your writing habits, ChatGPT offers a wide range of prompts to get your creative juices flowing. From thought-provoking questions, image inspirations to word prompts and more. Simply choose a category that interests you and let ChatGPT suggest a unique prompt. You can even customize your prompts by setting character, genre, and even setting details. What's great about ChatGPT is that it's free and accessible to anyone. Plus, it's constantly updated with new and exciting prompts. You can generate a prompt as often as you like, whenever you need a boost of creativity. No longer will you have to stare at a blank page or struggle to come up with ideas. With ChatGPT, a world of writing opportunities is just a click away. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced writer, ChatGPT can benefit you. It's a great way to challenge your writing skills and exercise your imagination. So, why not give it a try and see where your writing can take you?
Hey, this is Chappell North. Thanks again for watching the video. If you'd like to get more videos like this, click the link below this video and we'll have some more videos for you that you can watch that will teach you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.